Hi guys, today we'll talk about how can you disable iPhone and lock on your iPhone. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in verse, you just click on settings here. So then it's going to take you to your settings. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you go down, just keep going down here. So then you click here on face ID and passcode, you just click on it. Then it's going to take you to this list, then add here your passcode add before. I'm going to add it here. So then here automatically it's going to open with you. So I'm going to try it again here. Then it's going to open with us like this. Come here to iPhone unlock, click in this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone. That's mean iPhone unlock disabled with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.